I will get this. And you will notice that if I multiply everything by 2 to get rid of that denominator, I get 2n. 6.5 times 2 is 13, and 3 times 2 is 6. I get the same trinomial. Okay? Number 7. Who did I get to? Derek Mo. Mo money, mo problems. Number 7.
3t plus 2, t plus 2.
3t plus 2 and t plus 2. Well played. Number 8, Keegan. That's okay. Jadwinder.
M plus 7 in the first set of brackets, and in the second set of brackets, 2m plus 1.
Well played. Again, could the 2m plus 1 be first? Yes. Because they're both positive, so it doesn't matter which is where. Daniel. Harry. Olivia. Number 9 on 167. 3t plus 2 and then squared. Or, of course, 3t plus 2, 3t plus 2.
Doesn't it have to be 3t squared?
Oh yeah, 3t squared. Sorry. Yeah, the 3t has to be squared and then the whole thing has to be squared. 10, who are we up to? We're up to Amy. Hit me.
2y plus 1, y minus 4.
11, Lena Goot.
2n plus 3, 3n plus 1.
Sweet. 4 or 12, Veronica.
4n plus 5 is n minus 2.
That is the crunchiest carrot ever. That was a very crunchy carrot. Chesnuff, 13.
-2a plus 1 and
2a plus 1. Pardon me? Both of the 2a's are negative. I would do minus 1. That covers you. Because if you do negative 2a, you get 4a squared, negative 2 plus 1. I guess that would still work. 14. Who are we up to? Paul. Beauty. Joseph, 15. Tricky.
X plus 2, x minus 16.
Absolutely correct. Does everybody understand why? Because that is an a squared minus 81 situation, which would give you x minus 7 minus 9 and x minus 7 plus 9. 16. Who are we up to? Damaris. 16 is tricky too. All right. I'm going to actually do this one. Everyone should be happy with that, right? As soon as you see squared minus squared, you know you square root the first one, which would be a, plus the square root of the second one, which would be b. Then you would do it again with a minus, right? But what's a? 2x plus 3. Plus, what's b? 4x minus 7. What's 2x plus 4x? 6x. What's 3 minus 7? Negative 4. A, 2x plus 3 minus 4x minus 7. What's 2x minus 4x? Negative 2x. What's 3 minus minus 7? No. Negative 3, or 3 minus minus 7. 10. 10 and 2 minus 4x was negative 2x, right? Everybody cool to there? What do you notice about 6, 4, and 10 and 2? They're all what? 6, 4, 10, 2. They're all what? Even. So what's the factor that can come out? 2. So out will come a 2. And out will come a 2. So this is 2, 3x minus 2. And this is 2, 5 minus x, correct? That would be fine, but we would probably do 2 minus 2, or 2 times 2 to get 4. Everybody good? 17, who'd we get to? Joy. Happy to get that one, hey Joy? Yeah. Uh-oh, 18. Who are we at? Jasreet. 2x plus 9 and plus 13. I believe you. Because it would be 2x plus 7 plus 2 and 2x plus 7 plus 6. Yeah.
Can you go through the process of that?
Yeah.
Plus 7 is common, but how do you get to that?
Okay. Those two are the same, right?
Yeah.
So isn't that the same as saying lightning bolt squared plus 8 lightning bolt plus 12?
Yeah.
Okay. So then I need factors of 12 that add to 8, right? Which would be lightning bolt plus 6 and lightning bolt plus 2, right?
That would be weird.
Right?
We saw the squared in the plus 8 and plus 12 together.
Yeah, I know. But we don't, because lightning bolt times lightning bolt is lightning bolt squared. 2 lightning bolts and 6 lightning bolts is 8. 6 and 2 is 12. So now, but there's no lightning bolt in the original question, is there? So what does that lightning bolt become?
2.
No, 2x plus 7. So this is 2x plus 7 plus 6. What's 7 plus 6? 13. And this is 2x plus 7 plus 2. What's 7 plus 2? Sim, salabim. Which is from a horribly racist 60s cartoon. Yes, there was a kid on the show from India who ran around the whole show in just shorts, no shirt, barefoot, with a turban, and he was a magician. And his magical word was sim salabim, with a bad Indian accent. But in the 60s, that was okay. If there's time, I'll show you the cartoon. You cool? Luke? Everybody cool? All right, Kian DeVries, number 19. Hit me. What? Marley Edwards. What? Jalem. What? You know what's really funny? Green wasn't even here yesterday. I bet she's got it done. Green, you're killing me. Surprise, surprise.
I don't think I got it right. It's wrong. 16x plus 24 is x minus 2.
And what?
X minus 2. I'm not good at that. It's weird, okay?
What do you see there and there? 4x plus 3, which means you can make it any other symbol, yes? Okay. So that means this is q squared minus 4q minus 45, yes? Which means I need factors of minus 45 that add to negative 4. What are they? Is it 1 and 45? Is it 3 and 15? 9 and 5. So it is q plus 5 and q minus 9. Is there a q anywhere in the original question? No, because q is what? 4x plus 3. So this is 4x plus 3 plus 5. This is 4x plus 3 minus 9. Now, I know that my pre-diploma honors class knows how to collect like terms. What is that? 4x plus 8. What's that? 4x minus 6. And I also know that my pre-diploma honors class sees 4, 8, and 4 and 6, and sees what in both of those factors? That they have a common factor. 4 is coming out of the first one to give us x plus 2, and 2 is coming out of the second one to give us x minus 3. 4 times 2, 8. X plus 2, x minus 3. Why do I do this to make 8 when I'm trying to factor? Because it could be 4 times 2 or 8 times 1, right? So it's simpler to write 8 than every combination of factors that could make 8. What?
I don't get how it goes from, like, the top where it goes from q squared to q.
Because you're doing the factor thing, the times.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's like 7 lessons ago. Do you need to see that, really?
No, I just don't think he sees it. Bro, remember we had something squared, and then we had an 8 and a 12, right?
Foil that.
X squared
Factor that. Multiply to 6 and add to 5. What is it? 2 and 3. X plus 2. X plus 3. When you FOIL, the x gives you your x squared. So, when you FOIL this, the q...
Oh, now I see it. Woo! Got it. Okay.
Other than Luke and Amy, apparently everybody needs to work on 168.
I did answer questions first.
Great. Finish it. 168 is right now 1... What's the next thing in your book? Oh, really? Well, I guess 168 is the end of the unit. Tomorrow, before we start... screw it. Finish 168. It's 8:52. We should be able to mark it today, should we not? This is the last assignment for factoring. I would like to mark it at 9:15. That gives you 22 minutes to factor 15 questions. That's a minute and a half per question. If we can't mark it today, it's no big deal. We mark it tomorrow and we move on. But regardless, your factoring test is Thursday, mes amis. That's a cool shirt, Keegan. I'm giving you bonus points right now as we speak in my head. You know what's funny? That's the password to my guest Wi-Fi in my house. Ground control. Because of that song.
I thought he was just wearing a plain black t-shirt.
No, he's wearing a David Bowie t-shirt. I saw David Bowie live. I'm a very lucky man because, of course, he is dead now. And I saw him on one of the tours that he was playing old stuff as well as new stuff, which made it really good. Because for a few years, he wouldn't play any of his old stuff. Which is okay, because David Bowie's new stuff is better than almost everybody else's new stuff. It's just not as good as his old stuff. But now all of David Bowie's stuff is old stuff, because David Bowie is dead.
This is more confusing than that.
What, David Bowie being dead? Luke, people get old and they die, especially rock stars. They don't often get old, they just die.
I know.
David Bowie got pretty old, though. He was into his 60s.
He doesn't like his new stuff. How new is his new stuff?
I think his last new album was 2000 and something.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Now I would like to know.